In this lecture, I'll show you how to calculate intrinsic value of a stock under three-stage growth model. So in the three-stage growth model, what happens is dividends will grow at a certain rate for a certain time period in the first stage, and in a second stage the dividends will grow at a certain rate, and finally in a third stage dividends will grow at a constant rate. Instead of solving intrinsic value using a formula approach, I'll show you how to solve the intrinsic value with a tabular form. That is, we replicate how we are going to do it in a Microsoft Excel. The same we do using a pen and paper. I'll demonstrate that for you now. Here is an example of a three-stage model. In this case, the first stage, that is in a stage 1, dividends will grow at a 25%, and this is for 3 years. And in stage 2, dividends grow at 15%, and this is for 1 year. And thereafter dividend will grow at 8%. So in stage 3 it grow at 8%, and this is forever. So this we say is at a constant growth rate. So this is the first stage growth, second stage growth. Now the values that we have is the dividend that is just paid is D0 is $2.73. Then the required rate is 13%, 0.13, and here we have a 3 different growth rates. So what we do is we'll take a years. So in the case of first year, first, second and third, these 3 years dividend will grow at 25%. Then in a fourth year dividend will grow at 15%, and thereafter it is at 8%. So our DO, that is at a 0 time period, our dividend is 2.73. First we calculate the expected dividend. So for the first year your expected dividend is 2.73 times 1.25. So 3.41 is the expected dividend for the first year. And for the second year, 2.73 times 1.25 raised to the power of 2. So this is for the second year. In the third year, 2.73 times 1.25 raised to the power of 3. So this is for dividend for the third year. In the fourth year, the dividend will grow at a 15%. So in the second stage, the dividend which is paid in the third year will become a DO. So that is 5.332, and this times the growth rate of the second stage, that is 1.15. The dividend in the fourth year is 6.1318, and the constant growth rate dividend will be 6.1318 times 1.08. So now we calculated expected dividends. Then we calculated the present value of these dividends. So present value is at a discount rate, and our discount rate is 13%. So this is 3.4125 upon 1.13. So the present value of the first year dividend is 3.0199, and for the second year 4.2656 upon 1.13 raised to the power of 2. 3.3406 is the present value of second year dividend, and the third year 5.332 upon 1.13 raised to the power of 3. So this is the present value of third year dividend, and the present value of fourth year dividend is 6.1318 upon 1.13 raised to the power of 4. So this is the fourth year dividends present value. Then at the end of the fourth year we need to calculate the terminal value of the stock. So to get a terminal value, that is dividend at T upon KE minus G. So this equals to 6.6223 upon 0.13 minus 0.08. So this equals to 6.6223 upon 0.13 minus 0.08. This 0.13 minus 0.08 need to be in the brackets. Otherwise the calculation will be 6.6223 upon 0.13 then minus 0.8. So to avoid that, you need to put the KE minus G within the brackets. So 132.446 is the terminal value. Now we discount the terminal value here. There is 132.446 upon 1.13 raised to the power of 4. So this equals to 81.23. Then your present value of stock or intrinsic value, this equals to 3.0199 plus 3.3406 plus 3.6953 plus 3.7607 plus 81.2316. So the intrinsic value or present value of this stock is $95.04. This is how you need to calculate the intrinsic value of a stock under 3-stage growth model. Thank you.